What is up, everybody? This is Baxter over at carwashcountry.com. Today I'm standing in the rain. I actually just got caught in a little rainstorm, so I thought it would be a good time to talk about whether or not it's a good idea to wash your vehicle when it's raining or when it's not. So people have different opinions on this, so I wanted to do my best to answer it based on my knowledge. If you're new to this channel, if you're a beginner, if you're an auto detailer, you're just somebody looking to improve your skill set, I've got a free ebook for you, 25 essential auto detailing products for beginners. I just included a few products that I think most people maybe haven't heard of to really help you improve your skill set, so check that out. But I will dive into this. In my opinion, you should not do that. You should not wash your vehicle in the rain for a couple of reasons. And the biggest one that I can think of is depending on what part of the country you live in. If you live in a city like LA where you have to deal with smog and acid rain, you're really mixing good water with bad water. So, acid rain can obviously accumulate on your clear coat. Really the only way to remove that is using clay to pick up some of those metallic particles, acid rain particles. So in general, I would not do that. And the second reason is that it's really hard to remove water spots, or prevent water spots, I should say, when you are trying to dry a car while it's still raining. So keep that in mind. But let me know what you guys think on this question, this topic. If you're an auto detailer, what do you do when it starts raining? I know a lot of detailers will carry canopies and they will do some sort of interior detailing if there's a rainstorm that pops up. But leave a comment below, let me know. Be sure to subscribe to the email list at carwashcountry.com/subscribe. I will link up everything in the description as well. But until next time, hope everybody has a great day, and I will see you in the next video.